Hello. Today we're talking about a groundbreaking development in medical technology that's set to change lives. ReWalk Robotics has just announced a major milestone. Medicare has finalized a rule that will cover their personal exoskeleton technology starting January 1st, 2024. For those who might not know, an exoskeleton is a wearable device that allows individuals with spinal cord injuries to stand and walk. This is not just any tech, it's a life-altering innovation for people who are paralyzed. Earlier this year, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, also known as CMS, proposed a new definition for the term brace. This redefinition is crucial because it accelerates the coverage and payment for powered devices and newer technologies under Medicare. ReWalk Robotics has been at the forefront, pushing for these changes. Their personal exoskeleton platform is a marvel of technology, giving the gift of mobility back to those who thought they'd lost it forever. The new rule by CMS, named the 2024 Home Health Rule, is a clear signal that Medicare is ready to support individuals in accessing this advanced technology. According to Larry Jasinski, the CEO of ReWalk Robotics, this decision by CMS is a validation of the positive impact of exoskeletons and underscores the importance of innovation in Medicare policy decisions. This news is more than just a policy update. It's a beacon of hope for many in the spinal cord injury community. By including personal exoskeletons in the Medicare brace benefit category, CMS is paving the way for broader access to this life-changing technology. We're always excited to share innovations that have a real impact on people's lives. This development stands as a testament to the power of technology to transform lives for the better. Thank you for tuning in. For more updates on this story and other tech news, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, keep looking forward to a future where technology continues to break barriers and enhance lives.